Good morning, students. It is very chill this morning. Would you want to join me on a trek? Yes, Deepika Murthy, writer of our next lesson, is going to take us to the hills of Uttarakhand. It is going to be really very exciting. Want to join her? Come on, open your book on page number 40. Let's read lesson number 5, The Seven Snowmen, written by Pika Nani. Deepika Murthy is the real name of Pika Nani. She always wanted to become a writer. This story is from her book Little Indians. The book has facts and stories from 15 states in India. Isn't that incredible? In this story, 11-year-old Jia, her father Hitesh, and his brothers Akhilesh and Dinesh are on a trek in the hills of Uttarakhand. The weather changes suddenly and their way is blocked by snow. They cannot even go back. They take shelter in Shivcharan's dhaba. Shivcharan and his two children, Om and Alka, are also trapped because of the heavy snowfall. Everyone sleeps on mattresses on the floor in the basement. By early the next morning, it had stopped snowing, but the way to the valley was still blocked. Now, what does it mean by trek? A long journey on foot. And you have come across the word dhaba, that is a Hindi word for a roadside restaurant. And what do you understand by basement? It is a room below the ground. Continue reading. Jia shyly joined Om and Alka in a game of snakes and ladders. She spent the rest of the day happily playing and chatting with them. The next morning, they heard a loud rumbling noise. Akhilesh opened the trap door, but the front door wouldn't open. The snow had blocked it from outside. Then Shivcharan pulled open a window and jumped out, and the others followed him. And then Jia saw it, a helicopter disappearing into the sky. They waved, shouted, screamed, and ran till their feet got stuck in the snow. But it was too late. For the first time in 2 days, the group felt hopeless. Till now, they had been hopeful that they would be rescued, but they had missed their chance. Now, students, what do you understand by the word trapdoor? A small door in the floor leading to an underground room. Hopeless, feeling that nothing good will happen. Hopeful, thinking that something good will happen. Rescued, saved. Okay, now we come to the next page. The men now decided to take turns waiting outside the house. If the helicopter came looking for them again. But it was a difficult time. The sun refused to come out. It went on snowing and they had to remove the snow from the front of the house every now and then. And the men suffered from colds and stiff joints. The children helped them in small ways, making tea, chopping vegetables, and tidying up the basement. Now students, what do you understand by take turns waiting? One person waits for a while, then another person takes his place and waits, and so on. Every now and then means many times. Suffered from stiff joints, it means felt pain in the knees, elbows and fingers and were not able to move. Let's continue reading. Then came day 4. There was still no sign of a rescue team and the road was still blocked. Why don't you go out and play? Said Hitesh to the children. It hasn't snowed since last night. Out in the snow, Om and Alka showed Jia how to pack the snow as if they were making laddus. Then add more snow to make a big round snowball. It was too cold for them to throw snowballs at each other. So the children threw them up in the air instead and watched in delight as they crashed to the ground. Now, what does it mean there was no sign of a rescue team? They did not see a rescue team at all. Pack the snow to hold the snow strongly between the hands so that it becomes a ball. Now all of you turn the page. Let's make a snowman, said Jia suddenly. Then she made a rather big snowball. She rolled another slightly smaller and placed it on the first. Then she made an even smaller one for the head. She used pebbles for the eyes and a twig for the nose. She shaped a smile with little stones. Now what does pebbles mean? Small smooth stones usually found near a river. Let's continue reading. Our own snowman, announced Jia, and the children clapped. Announced means spoke as if she was saying something that she wanted people to hear. Her father, uncles and Shiv Charan also joined them and everyone began building their own snowmen. Soon 7 snowmen of different sizes stood in a semicircle. All of them had hats, woolen caps, broken buckets and upturned vegetable baskets. What do you mean by semicircle? A half circle. And upturned means upside down. They were all now very tired and went back inside to rest. Except for poor Dinesh, whose turn it was to be outdoors. Next page. Why don't you all also take a nap? I'll sit inside near the window. The snowman will keep me company, said Jia to Dinesh. Jia's father was the first to hear the whirling sound. He woke the others up and they all rushed out. Jia had curled up near the window fast asleep. Not again, Dinesh thought. The helicopter was flying away from them. Jia woke up too and went outside. Everyone stared at the empty sky. "Hello," said a stranger's voice behind her suddenly, making her jump. Making her jump means scared her so that she moved suddenly. Standing with the snowman were 3 soldiers from the Indian Army. This was the rescue team looking for 7 people. They had been flying above the mountain when they saw the snowman. Could they be the 7 missing people? Now what do you mean by missing people here? people who were lost and they were looking for. They went to look. Yes, after they found them, the helicopter soon returned and lifted them with the help of cables. Now, what do you mean by cables? Thick, strong metal ropes. So, students, at last the whole family was rescued, isn't it? So, it is very dangerous if you get caught in snow. This happens to us sometimes, no? Our trip becomes an adventurous one, and then we come and narrate our experience to our friends and relatives. So, students, now that we have read the lesson, all of you try to frame the answers for the questions given in your book. You can write your own answers. I have just given a sample, and then I have discussed the exercises from your book. So, after completing your work, you can check your answers with me. Okay? All of you will do that. And remember, students, to study regularly and be good children. Obey your parents, take care of yourself, and we meet again in our next video very soon. Till then, love you all. Bye.